So today's project, we're going to seal up the front door. As you can see, there's a huge amount of light coming through there, and even more wind at night. Practically a hole. Much worse at the bottom. And that's with the deadbolt in. If you undo the deadbolt, you can push it closed a little bit more, but you still have a lot of gap. And what I've done is I went to the hardware store. First I cut a small chunk of the door sealant out from the bottom of the door, so I had something to reference by at the hardware store. And I found the weather seal that we need, and this old one is just completely shot, coming right apart. And we're going to pull the old one out. Got Dobby trying to stick her head through the door. Going to pull the old one out here, and we're just going to stick the new one in. I found one that was really darn close. It has the same basic style. And it should slide right into that slot that's in the door. So let me get the camera set up and we'll get that installed. Alright, I've got the dogs closed up in a room so I can take this apart. It's real easy, just pull the old one out. And that's practically paper thin, nothing left of it. And then stick the new one in its place. You can see well there or not, but I'm using just a flat thing to push on the back side of, kind of peel it back so you can get to the hard wedge part. Push in. That's working the best. This new weather strip cost a little over $12. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off the bottom. It's just a little bit long. Now we have a much better seal. Hold it up and down. Door latches. And we still got just a little bit of a gap there at the bottom. We can get a edge piece for that. It's nice and firm. And you no longer have a problem getting the deadbolt to lock. So that was definitely a success. Looks like somebody tried to stick some door seal on it at one point rather than buying the correct seal. It won't hurt to leave it there. I will need to get something for down here though, but we'll figure that out. Probably best to get one of those pieces to stick right here on this door to seal that. Perfect.